What's up everybody? It's Ultimate Unboxings, and today I have an unboxing on the Dragon goggles. They look pretty sweet. So I guess let's get right into it. This was around $20-something for me in the States. It was on sale on BTO Sports website, and just a heads up, you'll see in the next unboxing I have, it's of a model dirt bike, and they sent it in a box with way too much space in the box. But I guess here it comes with a really nice goggle cover, as you guys can see. And it comes with goggle warranty information. I'm not going to be needing that because I got it shipped to me, and it's pretty hard to do the whole warranty thing. And then it comes with I guess just saying what this whole foam thing is, because yes, there's a lot of foam here. I haven't actually gotten dirt bike goggles before. That's obviously why I bought them. Polytech Micro Fleece, hypoallergenic moisture wicking, open cell foam, porous layer allows sweat to evaporate, stiffing layer provides structural integrity, primary layer closed cell foam for cushioning. So yeah guys, here is the Dragon goggles.